Hello, today we are making a comforting Nigerian beans and sweet potato porridge. To make it extra special, I'll be serving it with some delicious air-fried plantain. Let's get started. So firstly, you're going to rinse and boil your beans. But this step is very important. If you have heartburn after eating beans, you need to throw away this first water. It's also crucial because some of these beans that we buy is very dirty. So what I do is to throw away the first water, and then I'm going to rinse the beans and then put it back into a boiling water. Then I'm going to add onions, and I'm also going to add some salt, and then we're going to cook this until the beans becomes soft. This is honey beans, so it gets softer than other brown beans. So this should take around 30 minutes to cook. So while that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and peel our sweet potatoes. So that's the type of sweet potatoes I'm using. That's mostly the one we find here. So while peeling, you'll peel the outer layer and you also peel off that white layer, so that the yellowish layer is the one that is showing. So after peeling, you slice it up into cubes or chunks depending on how you want it to be. So when you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and add it into your beans. And then we're going to let that cook together until the beans and the sweet potatoes are soft. So the reason why I cut mine in big chunks is because this type of sweet potatoes, it gets soft very easy. So for me to see the sweet potatoes to eat with the beans, I need to cut it into a bigger size. But if you use normal potatoes, you can just cut it a bit tinier. So for our pepper mix, we're going to blend together tatashi, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, bell peppers, and tomatoes. So we came back to our beans and potatoes, and look at that, it's very soft. This is the way we want it to be. We're going to set that aside and get ready to fry our pepper mixture. So in a pan, we're going to heat some palm oil, and then we're going to add our onions, blended tomatoes and peppers, and then we're going to fry that until the sauce thickens. Okay, this will give our porridge that rich flavor. So when the sauce is like this, see the oil floating a little bit on the top, you're going to add your smoked fish if you're using, and then you're going to go in with your crayfish and your seasoning cubes. Now you're going to mix this together and allow it to cook some more, let's say around 5 to 8 minutes. Now once the sauce is done cooking, we're going to pour it into the beans. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and stir that very well and let it simmer until everything comes together nicely. So while that was going on, I added some plantains to the air fryers and I fried it for around 30 minutes. One side 15 minutes, I turned it over and I fried the other one 15 minutes. But if you don't have an air fryer, you can just go straight ahead and fry it in the oil with your frying pans. Okay, I was just trying to reduce the amount of oil we consume with this meal. And here it is, guys, Nigerian beans and sweet potato porridge served with crispy air-fried plantains. It's very wholesome, filling, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to comment. Please comment and please press the like buttons, guys. You all watch my videos without liking. Please like, all right? Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.